Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have an Ibkr login. Enable paper trading and account management and switch to the paper trader environment. Once done, launch TWS or use the Client Portal Paper Trader tab so you can enter simulated trades. Make sure to set a realistic virtual cash balance, for example $100,000, so position sizing mirrors real plans. You'll do this now because virtual funding and the correct session are the only prerequisites you need before placing your first simulated order. Next, customize TWS layout and create a focused watch list so you can act quickly. Once your watch list is ready, select an instrument and choose the order type, limit for controlled entry, market for immediate fills. Then set size and price and use order preview to confirm fees and margin impact. Make sure to set time in force and attach risk controls like one cancels other or trailing stops. This simulates real execution and reveals slippage and fill behavior. Finally, monitor fills and watch unrealized profit and loss in the portfolio and activity screens. This is how you learn execution consequences. Once trades settle in the simulator, export statements to review commissions, fees, and win rate so you can refine sizing and strategy. If something goes wrong, first verify you're in Paper Trader, then check virtual margin and any order logic conflicts. If orders repeatedly fail, adjust order type or session settings and retry. That fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.